All right, so in this quick video, this is here at our facility. This is a type 2 facility, and we're starting up our crickets and our drains on this project. And as you can see, for this particular project, there's an architect involved, and they have laid out where our drains will be on this particular project, which is good. The challenge that we face, being that this is an older building, the construction does not allow us to, we have to be very careful about drilling through our wood members in the ceiling. So they were real particular about making sure their runs were complete, or runs inside the ceiling joists where we're not boring through or having to cut through or notch any beams because of the span. Again, this is older construction, different set of building standards from back in the day, so it makes it more of a challenge for us in cutting in these drains. But this just gives you a quick overview. We have approximately about 13 drains. We have about 18 crickets, these guys here. We have a couple over here, they're not shown on the drawing, but we do have crickets throughout. And as we get up on the roof, you'll see that this is more of a challenge on this roof because of how busy it is, and there's just so many little details with conduits and ductwork and just a plethora of stuff on this roof, and that just makes it more of a challenge with us. So we're getting set up here and get into it, and then we'll pick up in this video as we're moving along. All right, guys, so the team has built out their first cricket. They got the skeleton section of it completed. They have the plywood skin on top here. I don't know if you can see this in the video, how it's tapering down. There's a hump here in the middle, and then it tapers off to the sides. There's some detail work that they have to do. And now they're bringing in the taper. We're going to show how that goes in, the process. And then we have another cricket that's going to be going in on the other side there by that heater.